Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Tnet in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To enable Tnet on your Windows 11 system, the process is quite straightforward. First, open the Windows search bar, which you can typically find at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type Windows Features. You should see an option appear that says Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on this option to open the Windows Features window. Once this window is open, scroll down through the list of available features. Look for an entry labeled Tnet Client. Place a checkmark in the box next to Tnet Client. After you have selected it, click the OK button at the bottom of the window. Windows will then apply the necessary changes to enable Tnet for your system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.